Why AI won't replace developers, but will replace some of them. The big myth: AI will replace developers. Not exactly. The real shift: AI is not replacing developers. It is replacing how developers work. What AI can do today: generate code, fix bugs, write documentation, automate repetitive tasks. This makes development faster. What AI cannot do: well, understand complex business problems, design large-scale systems, make critical decisions. This still needs human thinking. Who is at risk? Developers who only copy code, rely completely on AI, don't understand fundamentals. They will struggle. Who will win? Developers who use AI as a tool, focus on problem solving, understand systems deeply. They will move faster than ever. The industry shift from writing code to reviewing, guiding, and designing systems: the new skill, not just coding, but thinking, prompting, validating AI outputs. The future: AI will not remove developers. It will divide them: average, replaceable, skilled, unstoppable. The final take: AI is not your competition. Not using AI is. Rocket emoji.